Medieval reenactments, singing and beer. This is how Germans are commemorating Reinheitsgebot.
The purity law from 1516 was an enactment from the Duke of Bayern. It was decided the beer should be made with barley. It was essentially about the management of resources. Bread should be made with wheat and beer with barley, to avoid resources running out. But soon the purity law became about consumer protection. It was decided that beer could only include water, barley, yeast, and hops. This was to stop brewers using things like fungus or herbs that sometimes led to quite undesirable results.
So beer was kept pure and the bakers could have the wheat. In 1871, as the German states unified into one country, Bayern insisted that the law be enforced nationwide, an argument the state finally won in 1906. It meant that German brewers who used additional ingredients were not allowed to call the drink beer.
The purity law prevents German brewers from making a fruit beer, for example, a beer with added fruit. They can't make a Belgian wheat beer as it contains a coriander and orange peel. But it also means that they can't make beers with artificial flavoring or with corn or rice. So it's essentially both good and bad.
The law is still enforced rigorously in Bayern, but in many other German states exemptions are now possible. This was partly the work of anti-purity law warrior Helmut Fritzsche, owner of Kloster Brauerei Neutzeller Brewery about 2 hours west of Berlin. After buying the brewery in 1992, he went through a decade-long legal fight to call one of his products beer, even though it contains sugar.
We fought for 10 years, fought with the Federation of Brewers, with the state government, until the High Court in 2005 decided that our black beer, that includes a pinch of sugar, can be called beer.
Fritzsche now brews many beers with added natural ingredients, such as cherries, asparagus, and even potatoes. But at the Pure Beer Festival in Ingolstadt, there is little appetite for potato-flavoured beer. Water, barley, yeast and hops. The purity law still reigns supreme here, and they hope for another 500 years. Abdiel Leroy, CCTV.